Today's story is called The Clever Langur and the Honey Hunters. The forests of Karnataka were famous for their tall teak trees, bright streams, and buzzing hives of wild bees. Sweet honey dripped from high branches, a treasure loved by both animals and plants. One morning, a group of villagers entered the forest carrying smoking torches and baskets. They wanted honey to sell in the market, but in their eagerness, they pushed through bushes noisily, waved fires too close to the hive, and broke branches without care. The bees swarmed angrily, buzzing like thunder. They stung the men who dropped their baskets and ran. Smoke filled the airs, and many trees were scorched. High above, Lalu the Langur watched with worried eyes. He loved honey too, just a lick of it sweetened his day. But he also knew that bees work hard and deserve respect. If this continues, Lalu thought, the bees will abandon the forest and we'll all lose. That evening, Lalu called a jungle meeting. Birds, deers, and even old Bhima the bear, who was fond of honey, gathered. The villagers are greedy, Bhima growled. Let's chase them out. No, said Lalu thoughtfully, scratching his long tail. If we fight, they'll only fear us. We must teach them to take honey wisely without angering the bees. The animals agreed to trust Lalu's cleverness. The next morning, when the villagers returned, they were surprised. A langur sat on the branch above the hive, waving his arms. He dipped a leaf into the honeycomb gently, tasted it, and bowed to the bees before leaping away. Villagers laughed. A monkey blessing bees? Foolish creature. But then they noticed something. The bees didn't attack Lalu. They buzzed calmly, letting him taste. One villager whispered, perhaps the forest has its own rule. The next time the villagers approached more carefully. They put out their smoking torches. Instead of breaking hives, they collected only a little from each, leaving plenty for the bees. To their amazement, the bees remained calm. Slowly, the villagers learned. They started humming softly while gathering, a sound that kept them gentle and steady. They left offerings of fruit near the hives, a way of saying thank you. The forest flourished again. Bees buzzed happily, flowers bloomed brighter, and honey was plentiful for all, animals, insects, and humans. One day, the village headman stood before the hive and said out loud, we owe our honey to the wisdom of this jungle. Even a langur can teach us how to live with respect. From history, Lalu grinned. Cleverness is not about tricking others, he thought. It is about finding balance. That evening, the jungle echoed with birdsong and the sweet scent of blooming flowers. The bees danced in circle as if singing thanks. Respect for every creature, big or small, leads to harmony. Greed destroys. Balance keeps abundance alive. We hope you like this little story. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.